In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this EGR vacuum delay valve on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. We're going to take this cover off. You may have little covers on here where the fasteners are. You want to pop those out with a straight blade screwdriver. Pop those out. And then there should be some nuts or bolts holding those in. This vehicle doesn't have that. And then a little vacuum line over here is just clipped on. Just pops off like that. And then this cover slides right off. This is what the valve looks like, and it's clipped on underneath here. You can see this little bracket right here. So basically we want to take a pick, just get under where that clip is, pry it out, and then we can slide it out and then pull it out. So just get under that clip. Just using a pick. And that just slides off. You can pull it out. Now we can take these hoses off. They're not in great shape. It's a good idea to replace these hoses. Just take some hose pliers, work that back and forth, take that one off, and take the other one off the same way. Just work it back and forth. Just like that. I'm going to disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, and it slides right out. Now we'll connect the connector, just like it came off, lock it in place. Just give it a wiggle. That's connected good. And connect the hoses in the same position they were. Just like that, and like that. That's good. And we'll slide it underneath and get it lined up in the bracket. And lock it in position. That's good, just like that. And put the cover on. Slide that hose back in place, put the fasteners in and the covers, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.